Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very popular Mexican salsa called Salsa Ranchera. It's super easy to make and it's very fresh, and it's one that I think you're going to love. So let me show you how to make it. The real key here is in roasting off your ingredients. You'll roast pretty much almost everything. And so we're going to start with some fresh tomatoes. And I got about a pound here, and you can use different tomatoes. So I'm just going to remove the stems and slice this in half. And get them set in my roasting pan here. There it goes. Slice it in half. Get them set in my roasting pan. And we're gonna use some fresh jalapenos. And if you want these to be like more of a milder salsa, you can core these out if you want to. I'm gonna remove the stems first. I don't core them out because I like a little bit of extra heat. But if you want even hotter salsa, you can use serrano peppers, which would be awesome here, or use a combination. All right, get them in the roasting pan, and I'm going to use half of a white onion. Yellow onion is good too. And you can use more onion if you want, a little more, a little less. And I've got 4 garlic cloves here that I kind of trim the ends off so that when they're roasted, they'll squeeze right out. So I'm just going to set them right in the pan. And I've got this pan lightly oiled. So, all right, let's go ahead and roast it off. I'm gonna roast this for about 20 minutes in the oven. All right, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. I've got it set to broil. I'm gonna set it in the middle of the oven. And the key here is you wanna get a nice roast on it, but not a burn. All right, take a look at this. Got a really nice roast on these. The main thing is you want to get just a nice blistering at the skins, and you can kind of tell looking at these, the peppers here are nice and blistered up, and the tomato, and the skins are just going to peel right off. Like, look at that, boom. You don't really want that in there. I mean, you could do it if you want, but yeah, just everything peels right off. And same with the peppers, and then the garlic will just squeeze right out of its skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this up, and it's gonna go right into a food processor with a few other ingredients. So let me get that going. All right, guys, after you got everything roasted off, I did a 20-minute roast on the tomatoes, onion, jalapenos, and the garlic. Get your food processor all set up, and we're gonna go ahead and drop this in. Got my roasted tomato right here. Got my roasted jalapeno, or serrano if you want extra spicy. Got my onion, which is lightly roasted. Got some fresh cilantro, and you can use as much or as little as you want to your personal tastes. And salt to taste. Go ahead and get this in there. And you can add extra ingredients to this too. If you want to add a little pop of citrus, add some lime juice. Some people like a little Worcestershire sauce in there, or other, like maybe a little paprika. But this is pretty basic and pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and process her up. Ooh, don't forget that gorgeous roasted garlic. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, you can smell it. It's so delicious. Let me give it a taste. Boom. You know what? Maybe a touch of salt. Just adjust to your tastes. Give it a mix. All right. That's it, guys. This is Salsa Ranchera. I mean, super easy. Perfect salsa for, just eating on chips or serving over, like, eggs in the morning. Pretty versatile. It's pretty much any meal of the day that you want to use it for. So, all right, I hope you enjoy it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Have a great day.